Global dominance isn't decided by troop counts or nuclear silos. It is dictated by 14 narrow strips of water. These are maritime choke points. The closure of just one can instantly halt global supply chains and trigger massive inflation. International trade relies on the continuous movement of freight through these isolated passages. When they are blocked, the economic impact is immediate. This is the Strait of Hormuz. It is only 33 kilometers wide at its narrowest point, yet 30% of the world's daily oil supply must pass through this gap to reach the open market. The system is fragile. When the Ever Given blocked the Suez Canal for only 6 days in 2021, it resulted in $54 billion in losses for the global economy. Bypassing these channels requires ships to navigate around the southern tip of Africa. That detour adds weeks to a voyage and burns millions of dollars in additional fuel. This geography hitches global energy prices directly to localized conflicts in the Middle East. The Strait of Malacca handles 25% of all global sea trade. A naval blockade here could effectively starve China's economy. If obstructed, the only deep-water alternatives are the Sunda and Lombok Straits, moving traffic south through the Indonesian archipelago. Further north, the Taiwan Strait serves as the primary transit route for 70. Across the Atlantic, the Panama Canal uses a complex lock system to lift ships across the continent, allowing the U.S. Navy to move rapidly between the two oceans. But climate change is redrawing the map. Melting ice is turning the Bering Strait into a navigable passage for the first time in history. While established canals face water shortages, the receding ice is creating the strategic choke points of the 21st century. These 14 coordinates provide the ultimate leverage in international relations. To maintain its global position, the United States currently exerts direct or indirect influence over 10 of these 14 locations. True dominance is not achieved by occupying territory, but by acting as the gatekeeper for the transit lanes that connect the world.